Hello, my people. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Hope say una dey fine. Una do well. So una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una well well. My people, I see this video. Now say wetin come dey happen again about this recharge. Now say me I press am. Now I come dey lis ten to this our brother say he wan go Ogbalegbe for the matter between two of them. I no know wetin really happen with between them o, because I know say dem be friends before. I remember that time say I see am say whether dem dey penthouse or dem dey help am dey do something. I see that video for social media that time. I no know wetin come cause quarrel between two of them. But wetin me wan talk about this recharge, I no know whether e get person wey dey talk to am or e no get person wey dey talk to am. Because abroad, you dey for abroad, you never get paper, you never stand well. Even though say you don even stand well, no be one, no be two, no be maybe this one na 3 times wey person go dey report you. You no know say no good. You no know say no good for your document. Even though person wey even get sef, you no go like am make person dey report you all the time. And wetin na something of social media. Something of social media wey no give you, maybe you get the right to dey talk to person anyhow for social media. You no get the right, even though say you be presenter. When the something you go come as I take talk am, you go come be like say na court something. You go come bring the document come. Who give you say make you dey do presenter? If una dey do all this presenter of a something, na sense na person dey use o. Na sense. Even journalists sef, na sense dem dey use. Sometimes dem even dey sue dem for wetin dem no suppose to do. Dem go do am. Talk like say no be say na job you take am take dey do. You take am take dey disturb other people, take dey wetin no dey their body. You say e dey their body, because as this brother take talk, I put the full video. He say he talk say he get whether na HIV or something like that. I no know, because me I no see the video wey no get do. Una understand? But wetin the brother talk na me dey talk so. My people, more na get sense o, more na dey use una brain o, especially you this recharge, because go sit down make you look am. I don't know as I take tell you, since this year na problem upon problem, which is very bad. Quarrel with quarrel, problem with problem, this one with the other one. Wetin dey happen? You know, sit down make you reason and say wetin dey go on. I fit tell you the other day say if woman get belle for person, problem dey come for different corner. Na you na go come get sense say I no want make my enemy make dem catch me, make dem hold me for this side. But you no dey use your sense. Wetin come happen between you with this one now? I believe say una be friend before. Wetin come still happen between you and this one now? Nobody know. And the boy now talk say he wan go Ogbalegbe, he wan go Dunisha, he wan go do wetin. I know, because me I no understand una. If una dey do the live video, whether they cost another thing for una brain, me I no know whether wetin dey do una. If una just sit down for there, wetin una see for person body or plus the one una no see, una go dey talk all of them. Na everything person dey talk. Na everything, even though say you know say that person he really get that thing. Na everything person go just carry come talk. Now many times many people dey call me, they'll say I know something of this one, abeg me talk am. Say me I no dey do that kind thing because I no get time. Everybody get social media, everybody get your platform. Go press am, I go help you share am. For me come sit down, come dey talk wetin no dey your body because of say maybe you wan give me 50 euro. God forbid bad thing. I no come because of 50 euro. I can't go spend thousand for Ogbalegbe house, because some people dey when you go jam am, he go tell you say na rock na you can't jam, so he go show you. But our people they no dey understand. They will say they be presenter. I dey do presenter. Na person tell me. Now you wait the something come up for a mouth. Now you go come answer query. No be person wey tell you. Because now you can't talk and come out. I no just understand you. Try make you quit. Make you for now. I fit tell you that day. Make you fair less everything. Make your wife fair get and make fair deliver. Because when woman go get belle, if you never observe her, you go make sure maybe you never observe her because you no understand all this thing. When woman get belle, problem dey come from different corner, different angle, different. If you fit say this thing, you jump and pass, you go dey thank God for your life. make you just go look am since this 2021. This one problem with this one with this one, the other one with the other one. Last time na you with Esther. Now this one now say you wan go tell Ogbalegbe. Whether he go, whether he just say may just still tell you like that, I don't know. Wanna be careful. Ogbalegbe matter not be something you say I'll just go there, I go talk am, then problem not be so, not be our country with dey. Ogbalegbe then they go dey look fine. Okay, this one don come, the other one can't come. That means you are not a good person. Now so then they say they look am before they go dey look wetin you don fair do before everything you come job come and they come open your file. E go come be another case. And you now no be say paper, even though say you get paper, say you carry their passport for hand, now they go even collect and say fair leave am for here, we need am make you keep am for here, whether na that one dey catch you for body. Na so then they do their thing. Me I put the video, my people more na see watch and more na lis ten to wetin this our brother talk.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't go come back home. Just let you know, say, you, brother, they know they do, what person know people do, they know they start on. You hear me? Me, I they speak German. You don't know, since you did Deutschland, you don't get what you contribute for that country. You understand? You don't get what you contribute. Me, and my final year I did so for school. You hear me? Yeah. I did this. Please. You hear me, so? And I found a year, now they go through. Want to electrical, now you know be made. We don't contribute for the country. You understand? So I don't be your type. For real, me, I go do you, The eye go clear. I just not be.
Now doctor will come to the go.
Now doctor will they go now? Will they go doctor?
At least if una dey left for people, more na they know the.
Now the level. So now say it be me now daughter not the next place to go. Daughter be the next place, so I gotta not be everything. No be everybody, don't be the chair. You understand? You say I get HIV. Now my own you want for bad social media. For real. As I do for you, I'll see the runner for us. You understand? You say your mama not be no one for social for this thing, they can't wait. I'll tell you say Zidane, I don't even know. You understand? The chairman for Ailala, when I don't know, yeah. When I know the last say when I know Zidane. No, when I don't know. You understand? So when I last month I tell the shop, when I do case, yeah. I'll tell you say me, I did gain well. I did speak Dutch. The way I say we come out for 7 o'clock. Men are not the lie again. Social media president I give una picking. Men are not the lie. Me like kill all of una. Now the case. Let it continue. I did gain kwanu. Which school you go? You know go school. You say you go school. You dey mad. You no gay. Osadaye Richard Ago. I know your surname. So everything dey here. You understand? The day here. I not be your mate or anything. Yeah. You are a fool bastard. You know, later, if I reach hospital, if I see reach hospital, I'll see.
Yeah, if we come out, after they come out here now, we dey go doctor. Let the saga continue. Una let the saga. Since una say now, una be social media everything. Say another person don't know. What una know, another person don't know. We dey okay.
So I'm not gonna meet.
We dey okay. We know the fianyagbe na government and now we know the fianyagbe. Let us set. Your mother say you come at 7 o'clock. Come at 7 o'clock. We deal with you now. We know the fear. Now, yeah. Everything.
You know they talk too much, Una good day. See you guys later. Me they go to the hospital. Where if papa and mama forget HIV, you call talking. I will tell her, see man, bully. No go to person they play. I don't go soon for bullying. Your matter don't full everywhere for social media. Your matter don't full everywhere for social media. Everywhere for internet. You are going home for it. I tell you, no be picking no the whole person for this Europe. Now waiting you give them. Now waiting you give government. Now government will give you back. Yeah, you be niente. You will not get you will not get paper. You see the follow person when you get paper, they do anyhow. You are a fool. You are a bastard. Beast of no training. I go show you paper. That one room your man did for upper. My brother, they'll go meet her. They're not gonna do anything because your mama not do me anything. You understand? Now you know you go meet your mama for us. Now go gotta go they shook hair for that one room. You go manage, you go buy small 50 by 100 for say bush. You they do anyhow. You do anyhow. the 50 by 100, you never even done at this feeling level. The self-contained manage the building, never even done at this feeling level. You dey crazy. I know your secrets because I'm. See, no let me talk. I not do you anything, no. I not do you anything. No, they lie from my head. They go. They tell me say your papa and your mama get HIV. All the house when they don't pursue you for a year. All the house they don't pursue you for this country as a whole. Now bad. Now you they do for them. The last way they for pursue when I go to beg a woman make carry you go as. Now juju you go put for the person house. You go put juju for the person house. And they ask you now you they deny. I know if they follow person when they use juju to the men the friend of that. I know fit. You understand? I know if they follow person when they juju the men the friend do. God forbid that kind of thing for my life. If I get juju now, I want to help my friend. May see rich because if I see 4 one day, I ain't go see help me. Now those kind of friends that they follow, not be friend will be say, you go they keep person for your back. Which kind of friend you be? Are you a fool? You dey mad? Augustin, I don't go carry for you. I don't go carry on. I not be your mate, eh? I not be your mate. Electrical now arrive for Nigeria. I be NEPA for Nigeria before I enter Europe. I not be your mate. Go check us. You see and say, I don't send you my address. Send I go ask. People, you are the people who send that paper go, eh? You sweat it or do all of una. I they tell you, no go reason me, eh? I bad anyhow. But I dey cool. I like all my friends, eh? I love them so much. You cannot cause an enemy. You don't cause an enmity between me and my friends. You understand? Me no be like say time one go there. Give me time, we can take go there, come back. So now Schneller, blood test, and want do for me. You understand? And if I no get time, oga, hey, you go here. Now later, now bye. Later, I'll see you guys later. Easy tell me. They will carry tell me. But it's something I want to do. They give me Friday, 90 on Friday. You know, no get what I do you. You understand? I cannot move with a thoughts who don't know himself. You understand? No get what I do you. See your letter here. Your letter be this one. Just keep watching. Keep watching. I'll show you where. I'll show everybody where. Sam, keep watching. You go here. Let me say joke. So I go collect a call for you and we go dig and we go run out. We go the runner for Africa, eh? We'll see the runner for here. Your mama body go here. Sorry, your mama not get what he do me, oh. Eh? But this side there, get believe me, man. If your mama they talk to you, you know go try all those things when you try with people. Sorry, I go make you know say that your wife mama so you no get level. Who know they talk? You get plenty when you go talk. You understand? Who know they talk before? You trick out for inside a month, you go talk. You understand? I not do you anything. I not do you one thing. Shishi, I not do you. Carry my matter, they go to narrate me, they go say your papa and your mama get HIV. No worry. But they go tell you, you know I bet they get HIV and who no get HIV. You understand? On Friday, I see my collect results. And if I collect the results come out, I go give them for finance arm. I go give them for finance arm. Then you go know. You understand? Okay, they feel me. Your mama will do one room for upper. Your mama will go do one room for upper. No, they break me law for upper. Then for your woman, I know when your woman come up from Nigeria 2014, when you be like Lake Bawangri one key. You understand? I know all your woman family. You understand? I know your cousin brother self. So you cannot try me. We know many things about you. You cannot try me. You know if you try me. I give you my address that they try me, you go do something. Person we carry anything go there. That person, if he come back alive, me no call me 1-5. Just spend many years for this country. 1 year call out my head based on the kind of things. You want to spoil my Aduro for my other V? No worry. You don't get anything when you do. This how many years? It's 6 years when you did Jamie. You don't get anything when you don't do. You never do anything for Europe because they follow person wey use about 4 years they go school for year for the whole ground. I'll tell you say that dog you no sabi speak am. No get wetin I do you. Na me help you. Na me dey clothe you. You no fit use 40 euro take buy clothes for yourself. You no fit buy clothes with 40 euro. Clothes when you wear, when your woman wear for this thing they call am for your baby birthday. If house are not force you, you cannot buy. You dey wear marker. You know wetin they call marker. I no get one thing I want to do you. Me want make you come up for social media. You understand? I want to make you fall out for social media. Make you see what they do. You understand? I go to people bring. They go. Your matter don't full everywhere. And they shout or say, what will they do with this time? Useless. But after they say, I don't know one before. You understand? I always see and say, he tell people, he tell people, they say, an enemy get HIV. I take HIV, you go come explain for them for court open. You hear me? I go charge you for it. Hey, when they did this time, you can't let go and get for this time, you go know. Even though say without my family for this Europe, I can face you. I'm always say my family go join. You know say I say you dey go as. You dey go as. And if you see rich house, you go see run out, they are see the run out for that side. Don't be say you don't know me. I go deal with you badly, I know they do social media because they talk people matter. And my music career now owe me. My DJ level now owe me. And my electrical work what they do for year now owe me. I be NEPA for Nigeria, I not be your mate. You understand? I not be your mate. I not be like you when go put self-control for ground. You know if you finish them. You understand? Go Nigeria, go ask. Go ask. You understand? Now our house, we know they put rent for our house. If you need us, they maintain the house. You understand? Maintain now. Maybe they stay, so for me they maintain now. If my mother come or my father come say you know we maintain the house, my father they get quick notice. For real. How much now rent one pay? You understand? Rent not pay me money. I'll use about 2 million to build that finish. I'll cover poor rent. It will happen. You understand? So me and you no be mates. No me I just say no girl. I no get what I do more. I no get what I do because I no go fix bed for them. He carry out the matter. He say don't think when they observe me they come. He say don't think when they observe me they come. You understand? Say my way no clear. You understand? Carry the people for first years. I don't want to make sure anybody name here. Now they know the name. I want to make sure start here. Richard Ago. Richard. Outside here Richard Ago. Now be name. You say you na no for Deutschland. Palace will call you. May they tell you. May they ask you how you say be a no gay. You will tell them. You understand? I tell you no get level. I like when you take the boost for Facebook. I go use and tire you. I'll let you know so your family know who get level. They never know you for Benin. You understand? You will not finish secondary school because you manage you dey cash up on English. You dey cash up on English. They tell people say you teach organic. You know where Garrick dey? You know the number of Garrick member high school. You know where they say you go Garrick. Make Garrick kill you there. May I tell you for my electrical school now go Africa before I call it Sojo. I tell Sojo my must you know green now for back. Me I go face you. For real, I go face you. I pray me they bring that ILR paper. If they bring, we go come back. First, you wake up for me that thing, go see collect. After everything, I'll use your face. I'll use waiting you say you did, they face you. And you know there anything. The matter never clear for anybody. You understand? The matter never clear. I don't follow you do anything. I don't follow you do anything. I already follow you on now Europe we day. I already follow you say now Europe now we day. Say they follow you the package. She they hear me. They know they do all those things for Europe. That maybe they follow you the reason. Say I bet you no level. Everywhere you go more they run things. I carry your body finish now. You want to tell me say you senior me. I should you senior me, carry on. You understand, but you felt me die. For real. Means that your wife they put you for fire. You understand? You don't put you for fire. If you don't collect time, you don't reach Nigeria, then you see whether your wife will follow you stand again. No worry.
Another person.
No worry.
You understand me? So now you all come carry the
You see, I don't get problem with. I don't get problem with you. People know me here. You understand? I don't be like you will get followers, fake followers. Me, I get real people when they really love me, when they really like me, when they know me. I know they accept useless people. And they accept responsible people when know me well. I know they accept who I don't know. You understand? So you know, I know like you, people will follow you, maybe they clap for you. If they clap for you, they don't see waiting be they don't see waiting they find. They arrest you, will cause the worry. I don't know, I don't know before say cause they worry you. You understand? Cause they worry you. And I want me you come up on social media. If you don't come on social media, you go see what you define. I not do you anything. And they ask you, you put something, you put juju for Percy house, you deny for me, you say you no put on. You understand? You begin to cause down and say, I say you go put juju for that. But when we call C, when we call C, you made a sorry for you. Made a sorry for you. I begin to check you, say, how far? Why you call it dinner for me? You begin to scatter table for my own house again. When you know say you don't have boss my ass, where they call me, you scatter our toilet, you scatter our washer basin, you scatter our shrunk. Your woman naked. Your woman naked. Your woman naked. I never start to restore. You understand? I want make you come to look at finish. You understand? Meanwhile, Richard, you understand? Richard, they will continue round. Kidding me. Bye bye, everybody. I love you guys so much. I don't know what it concern this boy. No, now so my brother, you don't spoil my name. Everybody, me not gonna say people they use that kind of thing. Look me since all those years. They say I get HIV. What is the meaning of HIV? You know what it is? HIV means acquired immune deficiency. You go to school, you come out most people